a few of their opening matches in this season. Was on the receiving end of one of those big losses that Nkana suffered at the hands.
Buidcon defending the goal on the left. Hantobolo to do the chess up against Chulu position. Bob Chansa. Derick Mukombozi. But it all started with that breakdown. Why shift responsibility?
Yeah, it was a bad breakdown from Nkana, and very good industrious run from their left back there in Lionel Ngong. But Zephaniah Phiri picked out excellently in the 18-yard box, just failing to pull off a left-footed shot.
Derick Mukombozi. Maybe they should change the shades of these. There's a good chance here. Short ball off the Nkana defenders. Second ball from Christon J from Mandeboalia. And that was good cover from Derick Mukombozi. Was these two have numbers with Weta Placete Boleke. Mukombozi again doing very well in taking out the ball for a throw in. First six, certainly it was not from a set piece. Cool wind coming through here. Cross headed out by Derick Mukombozi again. For the Buidcon side now, Weta Placete Boleke. And again, Derick Mukombozi. See how much he's saying, guys, warm up. Let's get for Buidcon Football Club.
Wouldn't be surprised if that's not the last we see of that. Currently 0-0, as well as Osaka Dynamos and Zesco United. Likewise is the case with Nkwazi against Indeni and Power Dynamos against Kansanshi Dynamos. Prison Leopards seemingly coming, still riding that wave that made them come back against Green Buffaloes over the weekend. If not Ronald Kampamba, then maybe Alex Ngonga, but deciding to go for glory, and ball went out for a corner.
There was no way, but it's Derick Mukombozi. I like the way he commands the backline. Possession lost by the Ugandan. Picked up now by Derick Mukombozi. The Nkana players to get a throw in, quick throw taken, and decision against Kaseva.
Of course, Kaseva doesn't seem happy with that call and wanting to confront Derick Mukombozi.
It's the second time lucky with such a situation. Mukombozi. And for me, man of the match performance so far from the Nkana centre back in Derick Mukombozi. I beg your pardon, not Rodrick. Rodrick is Kembo. Played back to Mukombozi across the field to Stefan. What we've seen in the second half, I think that's a right call by the assistant coach. Played back to goalkeeper Prince Malekani. Derick Mukombozi yet again. Derick Mukombozi. Boleke. Too casual there was Tapson Kaseva, Bob Chansa. His former side, Kansanshi Dynamos, are down 2-1 at Arthur Davis Stadium. It will be a very bad return for Tenant Chilumba should it end that way. Derick Mukombozi.
Had that gone in, I'm sure the Nkana players would have really cried foul.
Offside call against Kaseva. Bob Chansa. Mukombozi. Buidcon signed from Jumulo is Placede Boleke, and speaking of which, Jumulo, first time in the national. Now they have to chase up against Tapson Kaseva, but he's got a difficult opponent in Mukombozi. Strong defender, I'll tell you.
Yeah, Mukombozi gets the better of him. Just perfect timing. Then Chiwoni loses that ball now. Mukombozi's timing is just...
Now Muida, he loves such challenges. Derick Mukombozi.